Hi, just me again. Haven't done a video for a while, but decided to go for a walk after a rainy day and see all the puddles and water dripping off the trees. And it's a warm day out again for November 27th. Yeah, I've been keeping busy. I've been going out to a play last weekend, and then I've got another play to go to this coming weekend on Friday at our church, and then I got the parade on Saturday. The Santa Claus parade, that's always nice. It starts at 5:30, so everybody puts Christmas lights on their vehicles and floats and goes through downtown, and always a very popular place even when it's raining out. There's a horse jump there. There's somebody down there walking their dog. There's a horse facility out here. They do a lot of horse competitions, so they have all the jumps set up. And just a lot of leaves on the ground from all the trees around here. Still overcast, but it was raining heavily overnight, and it just quit about an hour ago, so now it's a good time to go for a walk and not worry about the camera getting wet. I'm just going down this pathway. Another horse jump. And everybody getting to the Christmas spirit. Everybody's getting their Christmas lights up, and downtown is all decorated already, and all the stores are all in their festive season. So I thought I'd just do a short video and just show you what's like down here and after a rainy day on the woods. So anyways, you have a great day and enjoy the Christmas season. Bye for now.